Well, like I said, there's no silver bullet that I can point to as to why our vehicle is a lot cheaper. We've really focused on reducing the cost across the board. I mean, for one thing, our overhead in a 30-person company is, an order of magnitude less than it is in Lockheed or Boeing, just for starters. So even if we did everything the same and built the same launch vehicle, we'd be considerably cheaper. And then every decision we've made has been with consideration to simplicity. And the reason for simplicity is because that both improves the reliability as well as it reduces your cost. If you've got fewer components, that's fewer components to go wrong and fewer components to buy. I think there's a fairly significant innovation in our airframe, which is semi-pressure stabilized monocoque with variable skin thickness and a common bulkhead, if you know what that means. I would need a diagram to explain it all. But the net result is that it's very cheap and it's very mass efficient and I think easy to test and quite reliable. Our avionics system, to give you another example, our avionics system, we use an Ethernet on the vehicle to communicate. That may not sound like a great innovation, but it is in launch vehicles. All the other launch vehicles communicate in the vehicle by these serial cables that run the entire length of the vehicle. And so you've got these giant copper bundles as thick as your arm running up and down the vehicle. It makes it heavy, and it makes it expensive, and there's things like that which when you add them all up, it makes a huge difference.